So hello everyone, in this video I will explain you how can you write a program to print this pattern in Python. So if you have not accessed this playlist, I want you all to access this playlist and start watching from the scratch to the advanced level. So for the same, first I will declare a comment here, number of rows and number of columns for the square pattern. So rows will be 4 as we have 4 rows in the pattern, and then we have to start outer loop for each row. So for I in range rows, and then we will initiate inner loop for each column. So we will write here for j in range, and then we will print a star without moving the next line. So we will write here print star, and at the end we will write here end. So after printing all stars in a row, we have to move to the next line. So I will write here print. So this is the program to write this, or can say print this pattern in Python. So let's run it. So here you can see the same pattern gets printed here. So let me explain you how this is working. So first, as we have 5 rows and columns, so we have taken a variable named rows in which we have stored 5, and then we have started a for loop here in which we have given a parameter rows. So this loop will run rows times, means in rows variable we have 5, so this loop will run 5 times. And then we also have initiate another nested loop here for j in range. This loop will also run 5 times. So first this loop will run, and then it enters into this and will print 5 stars. And then after printing all stars in a row, this print function will take it to the next line. So this process will repeat, and this will print pattern like this. So this is how this program is running. Hope this video is helpful for you to learn more about for loops and these square patterns. So thanks for watching.